World War II began on September 1, 1939, when Germany, under the leadership of Adolf Hitler, invaded Poland with a blitzkrieg strategy. The Seyfried attack took advantage of Poland's unfavorable geographical conditions and the Polish military's lack of preparation to confront German power. Shortly afterwards, Britain and France declared war on Germany on September 3, 1939. Then, on September 17, the Soviet Union invaded Poland from the east, in accordance with the secret agreement contained in the Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact. On October 6, Polish troops finally surrendered, and their territory was divided between Germany and the Soviet Union. Meanwhile, some Polish leaders fled to Romania, while others were captured as prisoners of war. After that, the Germans continued various invasions of Western Europe. In April 1940, Germany invaded Denmark and Norway in Operation Weserübung. In May 1940, they launched invasion of Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and France to Operation Palzib, which led to the swift defeat of their allies. France surrendered on June 22, 1940, and a peace puppet government was formed. In Britain, the Germans launched the raid known as the Battle of Britain. However, the British Royal Air Force managed to defend their territory from the attack. In the midst of the conflict, the war extended to North Africa, where there was a battle between Britain and Italy, which later gained support from Germany. Meanwhile, in Asia, Japan, which had occupied France Indochina, was increasingly in conflict with the United States and Britain. On December 7, 1941, Japan launched a surprise attack on the U.S. Navy base at Pearl Harbor, prompting the United States to declare war on Japan. Quickly, Japan managed to control many areas of South Asia, including Hong Kong and the Philippines. On the Eastern Front, on June 22, 1941, Germany invaded the Soviet Union in Operation Barbarossa. Despite initial success, tough subsequent resistance, extreme weather, and fierce fighting in Stalingrad, 1942 to 1943 caused Germany to lose momentum. Entering 1943, the Allies began to turn the tide. They managed to defeat German forces in North Africa and launched an attack on Italy. As a result, Benito Mussolini's government collapsed and Italy surrendered in September 1943, although German resistance continued in Italy. In mid-1944, the Allies carried out a major landing in Normandy, France, known as the Day on June 6. This operation allowed the Allies to push German forces out of France. At the same time, the Soviet Union continued to advance from the east, besieging Berlin in April 1945. Hitler ended his life on April 30, and Germany finally surrendered unconditionally on May 8, 1945. In the Pacific region, the United States implemented the island-hopping strategy to retake Japanese-occupied territory. After going through fierce battle on Iwo Jima and Okinawa, the Allies dropped atomic bomb on Hiroshima on August 6 and Nagasaki on August 9. Finally, Japan surrendered unconditionally on August 14, 1945, which was officially commemorated on September 2, 1945, aboard the USS Missouri. With the defeat of Germany and Japan, World War II ended, signaling a major change in the world political order. While the Allies celebrated victory, the world was soon flying into the era of the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union.
Global political conditions began to have again, resembling the situation between 1900 and 1912. Just before the outbreak of World War I, as a result, countries that had been involved in World War I began to prepare themselves for the possibility of an even more devastating war. The idea of reference was continuously promoted by the countries that lost in World War I. Furthermore, the emergence of fascist countries such as Germany, Italy, and Japan became one of the causes of World War II. Therefore, many believe the World War II was a continuation of World War I. Essentially, the background of World War II is similar to the World War I and can be divided generally in specific causes. The failure of the League of Nations, which was expected to be an institution the COVID-19 world peace, also contributes to the outbreak. For example, in 1935, when Italy carried out aggression against Ethiopia, the League was unable to prevent the attack. As a result, within 1 year, Italy successfully occupied Ethiopia. Military industry grew rapidly with strong financial support from national budget. A large portion of state spending was allocated to rebuilding industry destroying during World War I. Each country tried to automate its rival by strengthening its arsenal. Mutual suspicion among European countries led them to prepare of the possibility of being attacked or attacking others. The rise of various ideologies after World War I led countries in Europe formed the alliances based on shared ideological interests, leading up to World War II. Three were the major opposition ideologies: Communist led by Russia, Communist Bloc; Fascist led by Germany and Italy, Fascist Bloc; Democracy and Liberalism led by the United States, Britain, and France, Democratic Bloc. This is blocs formed to a stronger of seeking allies with similar ideology. As a result, mutual distrust developed among major nations. Western countries, including Italy and Germany, began to view Russia communists with suspicion. Into Russia and its allies grew one of the fascist movement in Italy and the rapid rise of Nazism in Germany. Tension between these countries intensified, prompting it to strengthen their military and seek new allies. The media caused the trigger the outbreak of World War II in Europe was the German invasion of Poland in September 1st, 1939. The attack marked the beginning of global conflict in the Europe front. Meanwhile, the specific event that sparked the war in the Asia-Pacific region was Japan's bombing of the American North base at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii in December 7, 1941. This attack marked the beginning of the Pacific War, also known as the Great Asia War.
The Holocaust was a mass extermination event against Jews in Europe by the Nazi regime of Germany during World War II. The Holocaust occurred as a result of Nazi anti-Semitic ideology aimed at exterminating the Jewish people. On September 15, 1935, the Nazi government issued a series of racist laws known as the Nuremberg Laws. These laws stripped Jews of German citizenship, removed their political rights, and legally institutionalized their persecution. Many Jews attempted to flee Germany, but they faced restrictions on where they could seek refuge. By September 1939, Germany invaded Poland, triggering the start of World War II. In Germany-occupied territories, a campaign of mass murder against Jews was carried out. German soldiers and police force, particularly the infamous Schutzstaffel unit, were ordered to conduct a war of annihilation against Jews. Along with local collaborators, they arrested Jews, men, women, children, and the elderly, took them to mass graves, and shot them to death. To isolate and control the Jewish population, the Nazis forced them to live in ghettos. small enclosed area within citizens that were separate from the general population. In 1941, the Nazi government required all Jews to wear the Star of David symbol on their clothing as an identifier. The conditions in the ghettos were appalling, with disease spreading rapidly and starvation becoming common. In January 1942, Nazi leaders met at the Wannsee Conference to coordinate the systematic extermination of the Jewish people known as the Final Solution. The worst atrocity in the Holocaust took place in the Auschwitz concentration camp located in the Oświęcim, Poland. This camp was the largest extermination site during the Holocaust. Auschwitz consisted of 3 main camps. At the Auschwitz I, there was a sign with the German phrase Arbeit macht frei, meaning work sets you free, a sarcastic symbol of forced labor. This camp was initially built to hold political prisoners and also served as an administrative center where Jewish detainees were registered before being transferred to other camps. Meanwhile, Auschwitz II, or Birkenau, was built as the main extermination camp. Birkenau is house of gas chamber and crematorium used for mass killing. After being murdered, victims' bodies were burned in the crematorium. Even more tragically, the task of burning the bodies was carried out by fellow prisoners who were forced into labor units called Sonderkommando. Auschwitz III, or Monowitz, was designated for forced labor in industrial complexes. On January 27, 1945, Soviet troops entered Auschwitz and found approximately 7,000 surviving prisoners, including 500 children. Many were so starved and abused that they could barely stand. In addition to Jews, other groups targeted by Nazi atrocity include the Roma and city people, individuals with disabilities, political prisoners, homosexual, and slaving population. The Holocaust officially ended after Germany defeat in May 1945, but its impact continues to be felt through history.
World War II, which lasted nearly 6 years, had a profound impact on Europe and the world. The conflict claimed the lives of approximately 60 million people, including more civilians than soldiers, and marked the first instance of systematic genocide in modern history, such as the Holocaust, which killed over 6 million Jews. Aerial bombings and heavy artillery destroyed cities and villages, leaving millions homeless and turning them into refugees. Economic impact. The economies in Europe and Asia were devastated by the war. Infrastructure was heavily damaged, and many countries faced financial crisis. The United States emerged as a new global economic power since its own territory suffered relatively little damage. Social and political impact. The war reshaped global social and political structures. The colonization began in Africa and Asia as many colonial nations started to fight for independence. The Cold War emerged with the rise of two superpowers, the Soviet Union and the United States. Impact on world borders. National borders in Europe were altered. West Germany was supported by Western nations, while East Germany came under Soviet control. This division created tension throughout the Cold War, genocide, and the Holocaust. The Holocaust became the most horrifying tragedy of the war, highlighting the terror of state-sanctioned racial hatred. In summary, World War II brought immense destruction to Europe, economically, socially, politically, and in terms of human suffering.